If you want to remove page number 1 from a Microsoft Word document, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it without affecting the rest of your pages. This is especially useful if you want your first page to look clean, like a title page, cover page, report cover, or any document where you do not want page numbering showing right away. Before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into Word. First, open your document and go to the very top of the page where the page number appears. To edit the page number area, double-click inside the header or footer section. This will open the header and footer tools in Microsoft Word. Once the header or footer is active, look at the options that appear at the top of the screen. You should see a setting called Different First Page. Go ahead and check that box. This is the key step because it tells Word to treat the first page differently from the rest of the document. After you enable Different First Page, Word will automatically remove the page number from page 1. In most cases, that is all you need to do. Your second page will still continue with the correct numbering and the rest of the document stays the same. If you want to make sure everything looks right, scroll through the document and confirm that the first page is now blank in the header or footer area, while the following pages still show page numbers normally. This is a great way to keep your formatting professional without manually deleting and re-adding page numbers. If your page number is still showing after that, click back into the header or footer and make sure the page number on the first page is actually removed or hidden. In some layouts, you may need to delete the page number from the first page section specifically after turning on Different First Page. But for most Word documents, that one setting solves the problem immediately. This method works great for resumes, essays, assignments, business documents, and any file where you want the first page to stand out on its own. It saves time, keeps your formatting clean, and avoids the frustration of trying to manually edit every page. So to recap, double-click the header or footer, open the header and footer tools, turn on Different First Page, and page number 1 will be removed from your Microsoft Word document. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Word tips, formatting tricks, and easy software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.